So, good morning. Today, let's head to Lovers Lane and join me to witness the breathtaking views in Lovers Lane here in Pasugong, Bukidnon. Lovers Lane is a secluded, romantic spot, often a quiet road or path where couple can enjoy private moments together, away from the public eye. It is typically associated with intimacy, peaceful surrounding, and romantic escapades. Second is Communal Ranch. So again, join me to witness the beautiful view in Communal Ranch here in Impasugong, Bukidnon. Communal Ranch of Impasugong, Bukidnon is known as the home of country finest cowboys. It is the only local government in the Philippines that owns a ranch. It has 642 hectares and it's located at Barangay Kapitan Bayong, the cinema of capital of Impasugong. This site is the famous setting of Love Me Again, the hit movie of matinee idol Piolo Pascual and premier actress Angel Locsin. The communal ranch picturesque landscape. It is a combination of brown and green colors makes the place cinematically spectacular. The ranch has a New Zealand vibe excited by the unique contour of the mountains, the pine tree plantation in Barangay Buntongon and Mount Colago of Barangay Dumalaging that can be seen from the main pastures. Aside from the mountain backdrop, a conspicuous man-made pond on the ranch is the perfect picture spot for tourists or a prenup. The image of the mountains, the opposite side of the ranch mirrors onto the pond mixed with the blue and white colors of the clouds, making it magical sight to behold. There are two cowboys quarters which can be also used as functional hall for events. And lastly, the Easy Farm. Easy Farm is located here at Kawain in Pasugong, Bukidnon, where you can see stunning views, relax and unwind from stress and worries, breathe in the fresh air and explore various activities like overnight with friends or family, camping, birthday celebrations, and many more. And there's a lot of beautiful flowers you can see in the surroundings in Easy Farm. So what are you waiting for? Visit Easy Farm for breathtaking views, relaxation, fresh air, camping, birthday celebrations, and more. Stunning floral surroundings.